Your OM-5 camera is capable of taking high-res shots. To enable the feature, press the OK button on the back of your camera to access the Super Control panel. Then navigate to Sequential Shooting Settings and press OK. Now use the arrow pad to navigate to this symbol, which is representing the high-res shooting mode. Pressing the info button will let you change from handheld to tripod mode. Choose tripod or handheld mode according to your shooting style. Once you've selected the desired settings, frame your shot and press the shutter button to start the high-res sequence. The camera will take multiple shots with slight adjustments in the sensor position and then combine them into a single ultra-high resolution image.